You need to watch this if your Wyze camera turns blind at night. I'll help you get your night vision back, fast. Let's get started. First, check if your Wyze camera is plugged in and turned on. Next, open the Wyze app and make sure your camera is connected. Tap the live view, then look for the moon icon at the top. If it says off, tap it once to turn night vision on. Still dark? Check for any objects blocking the camera lens like dust or spider webs. Wipe the lens gently with a soft cloth. Now, let's check the infrared lights. Turn off all the lights in the room. Look at the front of your camera. Do you see small red lights? If not, go to your camera settings in the app. Make sure night vision IR lights is set to auto or on. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your camera. Just unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Still no luck? Try updating your camera firmware in the Wyze app. If nothing works, you might need to contact Wyze support for help. That's it. Your Wyze camera should be ready to see in the dark again.